Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. That's a YouTube channel dedicated to jewelry production technologies. But in this video series, I am producing something different for you. Gold grills. As you know, people wear them for decoration. They are made of gold. That's why it's in my interest. In this video series, I'm using Bulunmaz Micromotor as usual, and today I will choose a different diamond tool, 2mm 6-line flywheel tool, and I will engrave a lining design on that gold teeth. If you are ready for that new design, let's go. I'm engraving diamond cut on then gold teeth. I'm using Bulunmaz Micromotor. That's a 50,000 RPM micromotor that's specially designed by our engineers for hand diamond cut. So there is no vibration. There is a high precision. It's going up to 50,000 RPM. It has a high torque and it has two options: 220 watt for European and Asian users and 110 watt for American and Mexican users. In this video, I choose a fancy diamond tool for you. It's a 2mm 6-line diamond tool. What that means, it has a line shape on it, and there are 6 of these lines, and I will engrave exactly these designs on my gold teeth now. I'm starting my machine with 45,000 RPM. You can work up to 50,000, but I prefer 45,000 not to make my machine tired, not to make it hot, to work comfortable. As you see, my gold teeth is pretty small, so if I diamond cut holding it by hand, I may damage my finger. That's why I wanna use a material just to help me. I will fix my gold teeth on that flexible material. You can find it almost everywhere. Just fix it well so I can hold it and I will not damage my fingers. Don't forget, that's important if you are using small pieces such as this one. You can see 6 lines if you look closer. I can't say that that's a popular model. Our customer prefer it when they need something unusual, something fancy. But I believe it looks pretty fine. That's 2mm 6-line tool, but we have many different options on these lining tools. There are 1mm, 2mm, 3mm, even 4mm, and there are different line options: 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines. Just have a look at our catalog on our website www.bulunmaz.com, and now you can purchase these tools with your credit card without problems. Here you see a little detail. When I'm cutting the inside part, I damaged the other teeth. It's a easy process. You can easily cover these damages. And the next cut will close that mistake. I'm cutting in different directions. You can also make long cuts. I will also show it to you. Here again there is a damage, but it's easy to cover them. Don't worry about it. Our gold teeth are pretty thick, so you can go deep with your diamond tools. It's finished. It took less than 5 minutes as usual. That's a quick process by hand. When you have habit, when you have skill, you get much faster. Choosing your diamond tools, we have up to 300 different models. 36 of these models are in our starter toolset. You can buy the starter toolset, or if you wanna go with more models, you can have a look at our catalog or website to check our 300 different models. I used 2mm 6-line fancy diamond tool that's totally made of real diamond, so it can give you the maximum shine. You know, the diamond is the hardest material, that's why you get that incredible shine on your gold teeth. If you are manufacturing gold teeth and your customers are asking you unusual models, you can always have a check Bulunmaz tools. You will find unusual models such as this one. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because you subscribe more, we have more subscribers, more people are seeing our videos on YouTube. In the next video, I will use mini tool, and if you wanna see more of these gold teeth videos, just click the description of this video below and you will find links of different videos. Thank you so much for watching us. See you in the next video.